Hello and welcome to The Girl Who Laughs TV. Today we're going to show you the signs that my baby Rose can do at 13 and a half months. And we'll also run through a couple of words that she can say. Just to say, some of the signs that she does aren't the official ones because we find some of them difficult or we've just adjusted them differently. Thank you, darling. Right, baby Rose, can you do the sign for please? Very good. Can you do the sign for thank you? That's the same one, isn't it? Can you say ta? Can you do the sign for duck? Can you say duck? Very good. Can you do the sign for where? Where? Very good. Sign for yogurt? Yogurt. Can you remember that one? Yogurt. No, can't remember it today. What about the sign for more? Sign for more. No, you can't remember it. Okay, what about the sign for milk? Baby Rose, sign for milk. Can you do the sign for milk? We'll come back to that one. No, that's the sign for more. See the sign for more? Take that away. Okay. Can you say dada? Can you say ta? Good girl. Can you say cow? 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 What about cat? Can you say cat? 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 Oh, close enough. What about duck? Okay, should we try those signs again? What about yogurt? Can you yogurt? Yogurt, yeah, that's right, yogurt. About the sign for more? More? Remember hitting your hands together? Hands together? More? No? What about? Okay, last one. Milk. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye.